Hey, everybody, it's Steve Simon with my good friend across the pond, Edmund Tarakopian. And we're excited about the London workshops that's coming up. And we thought we would just do a little bit of a chat and see how things are going and, what we're going to be doing in July at the London workshop. Edmund, how are you and how is London?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm absolutely fine. London's great. Nice sunny day today. There's a nice siren of a police car going by, so some action to be had. Very much looking forward to July. Looking forward to seeing you again, Stephen. Really looking forward to meeting our workshop folks. So yeah, good to meet you virtually. Looking forward
I,
to meeting you in real.
I have to say, Edmund, that last year's London experience exceeded all my expectations, and I'm playing a few of your images in the background here. I mean, it was an amazing time. Look, the pandemic was still with us, but everyone was pretty well ignoring it, except us. We were wearing our masks like good photo workshop students will. The weather was incredible because it was a heat wave, as you recall. There was not a drop of rain, which is not something I would expect in London. And everybody was in a good mood. And we just generally had an amazing time and made amazing images.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, what an amazing week. Blue skies daily. It was like Los Angeles had come to London for a brief period. So yeah, sadly, I can't guarantee the weather. It is London after all, but hopefully we'll have, it's July, so it should be okay. And yeah, everywhere we went, there was pictures in abundance, and yeah, very like a really, really good mood in London. So yeah, very,
I
very
can't
much.
imagine, the weather can't be much worse than the coronation. And I think that, having a little precipitation in London just adds to the atmosphere of the pictures. Although I have to say selfishly, it was such a great experience in London last year that I'm hoping that we will have kind of a similar kind of weather situation. I'm excited on so many counts. I mean, everybody made really, really strong images. And congratulations to you, because if you follow Edmund on social media, you would know that he's actually won quite a few awards from some of the preceding images that I showed. And congrats for that. And, part of it is this great itinerary that you kind of conceived and we followed. And, we're going to, make a few tweaks here and there. But, London is such a diverse and photogenic place that all the places you took us were amazing. And the food is something I'm also really looking forward to because, people know that, taxi drivers and photographers know where the best food places are. And Edmund, being a bit of a foodie, took us to some of his favorite restaurants.
Yeah, absolutely. Great food, great pictures. What's not to like, right? The going back to the topic of weather, there's I can't remember who coined this phrase, but one of the master photographers came up with this that bad weather makes good pictures. So even if it's hammering down, one of my favorite pictures that again was awarded several times was taken a few years ago in torrential rain in London. So it's all about looking, it doesn't matter what the weather is or what's going on. If we find ourselves just in a very mindful kind of place, images start to appear. So yeah, it's a voyage of discovery. Every day is a voyage of discovery, right?
Absolutely. Well, listen, I just wanted to sort of touch base with you, maybe tell people that we're excited about this. We still have a couple of spots open, so there's still an opportunity to come to London with us. And we know it's going to be a great experience. In the meantime, you stay safe, Edmund. Enjoy London. I'm going to enjoy New York while I'm here. And we'll look forward to seeing everybody across the pond from me here in July.
Yeah, look forward to it immensely.